Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I just go for a while in the mall. I just dropped this empty bottle in the casino to get the points and that I can have discount in any grocery. Later I'm gonna pick up the kids, but the school still not down. See, the machine is in entrance of Lolo Supermarket. Let's go the WTC mall is near here. See the sun is it's almost going down. It's winter already. That's why the sun goes down early. Ay, cannot take a photo. Exposure lang. Oh.